Oh my god. Honestly, I haven't made this so long, I forgot about how good it is. Hi everyone, I'm Sahra Nguyen. I'm the founder of Nguyen Coffee Supply. We are the first specialty Vietnamese coffee company in the United States. We partner with fourth generation family farms in the Latte, Vietnam, the Central Highlands, and we import specialty Vietnamese coffee beans and roast right here in Brooklyn, New York. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Pandan latte with Vietnamese coffee brewed through our traditional bean filter. So it's super simple. All you need to make this Pandan latte is Vietnamese coffee beans, Robusta recommended, honey, milk, a little bit of water, and Pandan paste. Today we're going to be using True Grit, which is our 100% pea berry Robusta, to make the Pandan latte. And for this recipe, it is highly recommended, almost required, that you use Robusta coffee beans, because Robusta coffee beans complement the flavors of Pandan and sugar and milk really, really well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grind the coffee beans. When you're grinding coffee for the bean filter, you want to go for a pretty fine grind size, like rough sand. You want to boil your water to about 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you don't have a kettle with the temperature, it's totally fine. You just boil water on the stovetop, and once it hits boiling point, turn it off and let it sit for 60 seconds. So this is the bean filter. There are 4 main components. This is called the filter plate. This is the brew chamber. It also has tiny little holes in the bottom, so it's another layer of filtration. It goes right on top of the filter plate. So after you scoop the coffee in, you want to shake out the coffee so that it's nice and even across the top. That way when you pour the water in, it's going to equally distribute. This is the gravity press, and it goes right on top of the coffee. We're going to first let the coffee bloom by adding a little bit of water to cover the gravity press by about 1/2 inch, and then letting it hang out and bloom for 60 seconds. All right, so the coffee is done blooming, so now we're going to add water all the way to the top of the bean filter. And now for the last step, I'm gonna put the cap on top to keep the heat in. And it's dripping! Ah, my favorite part. Are we done? Now we are done dripping, which means we are done making our coffee with the bean filter, and that was like 5 minutes, super fast. Next, we're gonna move on to building the Pandan part of the Pandan latte. You'll need 1/4 of a teaspoon of Pandan paste or a Pandan flavoring, 1/4 of a teaspoon of honey, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of water. And you just mix it up all together in a glass. Okay. Ooh, love that. So next you're gonna add 2 to 4 ounces of a milk of your choice. Today I'm gonna use whole milk. Now we're gonna top it off with 2 ounces of our feed brewed coffee. Oh my God, it looks so good. All right, so that's my favorite part. Now we're gonna give it a stir. Wow, honestly, you guys, no gas. This is so freaking good. So refreshing. It's the perfect iced coffee drink for the summer. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. It's delicious.